igodaro nangona uDa Cruz ethanda i-4-3-3 bafethu i-4-2-3-1 uyisebenzisile career yakhe nangoku bewine ne-league eMorocco la same season ikhona imatches ebedlala nge-4-2-3-1 at the same time bafethu i-coaches sometimes azingxami zifike nje sizifaka i-formation ideas ne-philosophy entsha ki-players bafethu i-coach sometimes i-style sayo okanye i-system yakhe uza nayo kancane kancane the more isikhathi sivaya otherwise Machita, welcome back to the channel bafethu. Igama lami nguseko ngoFootball SA lona Machita. Niyakhumbula ndanenze uFernando Da Cruz ne-4-3-3 formation yakhe bafethu. Kula video nathembisa banza kwenza ne-4-2-3-1 bafethu. uDa Cruz asoza ngayizama i-4-2-3-1. It's the best formation emhlabeni, it's the most popular emhlabeni. The best clubs zayisebenzisa. Ungaya ki-Manchester City, uye ki-Real Madrid, uye ki-Orlando Pirates, uye ki-Sundowns. I-4-2-3-1 asizwa ngayizami uDa Cruz. Apha kule video nenza i-starting lineup se-Kaizer Chiefs under uDa Cruz ki-4-2-3-1. Danteni zayenza i-4-2-3-1 kaDa Cruz bafethu. Indoda bayithe into zayenza iyayenza. Epalini bafethu obviously izaba nguBrandon Peterson number 1 goalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Phambi kwakhe izaba i-back 4. E-right back masithi ngubani? Thabiso Monyane nguye bedlala umjita towards last season. Even ke ngoku i-central defense, right central defense kuzaba khubani i-new signing uThabo Moloisane. Usayinwe for udlala mosman bafethu akazange udlala ebenchini apha. Kuzama Kaizer Chiefs imsign because imbona ba umjita ingathi izoba improvement ki-central defenders ezikhoze Kaizer Chiefs. So Thabo right center back necangu wakhe uRoshu Indwatle ubuyile from a long term injury. Bafana international yabafethu top defender umde unamandla and fast for umuntu ongaka ya uDotle Machita is deceptively quick for umuntu omkhulu bafethu. And then obviously enyaweni umjita uclean bafethu uhlambile enyaweni i-touch i-turn i-pass ugrand. And then ke ngoku i-left back ingamula uBradley Cross bafethu bafana international isuka ki-World Cup onkanyiso Shinga plus noPaseka Mako zange balithatha ithuba bafethu opportunity yomhlaba yoba i-left back eKaizer Chiefs bafethu uBradley Cross wayithatha opportunity. So le back four bafethu ine-balance egrand amajita kukho amandla kukho i-speed kukho i-technique kukho amandla kukho ne-height balance egrand i-back four apha kule 4-2-3-1. And then ke ngoku singene emqeni bafethu emqeni ki-4-2-3-1 yava nawo kukho i-midfielders eziyi-2 bafethu kuthiwa i-double pivot. The first one again izaba nguLebohang Mabo bafethu. uMabo wafika Kaizer Chiefs umjita ibengathi izaba i-central midfield okanye number 8 but because usibongiseni imithetho umjita be-limited in terms of indlela into ayenzayo after iwine ibhola bamjita i-passing ability yakhe ibengekho grand. uLebohang Mabo wadlala kule position ka-number 6 bafethu and umjita wadlala grand nobonisa i-quality yakhe. Kaizer Chiefs ayi-improve. Lebohang Mabo wathe nca kula number 6 position. Apha kule line-up usenguye phaa umjita kule number 6 position uMabo ospanisa experience yakhe i-technique yakhe plus ne-skills yakhe phaa number 6 not just uwina ibhola nje but wenza ntoni xa uwinile. Lebohang Mabo akana-story cangu wakhe i-central midfielder Siphe Sihle Ndlovu. I believe i-fans Chiefs bafethu I think andiyazi uba zingakanani but khona i-fans Chiefs engathi azimva uNdlovu azikamboni grand but thina abantu sibamaziyo uNdlovu bafethu yoyiplayer le bafethu i-midfielder leya bafethu. If wambona uNdlovu ki-Maritzburg United bafethu wambona nje kancane ku-Orlando Pirates waphinde wambona ki-SuperSport United iba busy engceni la bafethu la athi adlala ebaleni bafethu iyaphangela engceni leya bafethu. I-technique ugrand umjita i-mobility i-movement la athi iyasprinta bafethu ni-move into areas ezi-dangerous umobile umjita bafethu. Umjita uyamova ayosupporta unumber 10 umjita uyabaleka ayosupporta unumber 11 left wing umjita uyamova ayosupporta unumber 7 right wing. Interchange nge-passes combination play unceda nge-overloads umjita. If i-defender ijongene ne-left wing okanye right wing Kaizer Chiefs uNdlovu uyafika phaa nge-energy yakhe i-defender ijongana ne-2v1 ke ngoku leyo kuthiwa i-overload leyo. uNdlovu yi-master lawe bafethu. At the same time uNdlovu bafethu i-modern game bafethu sayazi ba i-midfielders sometimes i-passing lanes ziyavalwa ibhola isenyaweni kuNdlovu then i-passing lanes zivaliwe afuneka ngupase back uzawuthini funeka uthathe ibhola udrive uqhube ibhola ungene phakathi kwe-lines. uNdlovu uyakwazi uyenza ntswempo la way like kuthiwa i-dribbling ngesingamla thatha ibhola uhambe nayo uphume phakathi kwabantu. uNdlovu i-master la way. That's why bafethu ezinye midfielders zingalenzi ixesha i-modern coaches zingazidlalisi bafethu. Umuntu uqonda uba uthini ngadlali umjita hayi bo lo muntu uyalazi umnandi enyaweni isimoko yintoni akadrive akwazi uhamba nebhola ahambe na angene phakathi kwabantu. attack at the same time akwazi ukwenza overloads ba support i-wingers attacking midfielders. That's why players efana Marcelo Allende Sundowns bafethu umuntu okodominator ibetwe Premiership for like 3-4 seasons because uAllende bafethu unala mobility ne-movement umjida ezwe odlovu banazo and Kaizer Chiefs fans sizazibona kakuhle ke ngoku under better coach nalapha kule 4-2-3-1 ka Da Cruz. uDa Cruz top coach uzakwazi uyibona ke uNdlovu unayo lawo ibafethu i-modern game ifunayo i-central midfielder. And obviously xa ngumuntu uthanda ukubaleka uyakwazi upressa mosman uDlovu press emini yonke bafethu. So ngoku if ubunga-understand bakujonga thini players ezifana no Nkosingiphile Ngcobo zingadlali kakhulu, i-players efana noSipho Mbule abazenzi ezinto nithetha ngazo apha, izinto ezidimandwa i-modern game. Orlando Pirates the reason why first choice uTalent Mbatha ayenza yonke leyo nithetha ngayo apha bafethu. Afunikanga kube midfielder nje caba ejonga umnandi njengepasi kuthiwa uyalazi umnandi ushaya ngeshukela ayisipanda bafethu. Modern game zaphele zonto. Even siqhubekeke ngale line up bafethu attacking midfielder uMduduzo Shabalala phakathi number 10 role. Siphuma i-midfield ngokusiya attacking third. Other players yi-3 semva kwe-striker. A1 yazo attacking midfielder uMduduzo Shabalala in the number 10 role. Umntu perfect naye for le role bafethu. Umntu uyamova engceni, that's why bengu-number 1 choice Kaizer Chiefs number 10 position last season. Umntu bafethu i-weakness yakhe ibicaca bakuse umntu akwazi ubeka ibhola ifake nethini consistently uyaphosa, but kuse umntu ebeyenza bafethu befumana opportunities ezininzi njani bekutheni because kusela mobility yakhe umntu bafethu. Umntu ungena phakathi kelanzi ngena phakathi defenders ngeza runs zakhe. Number 1 thing bafethu ze-runs umntu wazenzayo ba kuse umjida angena phakathi kwe-defenders ibhola if ingapha ya exciting Kaizer Chiefs mhlawumbe se-right wing ibhola okanye se-left wing before ingenela pass umntu ufikile phakathi kwelanzi ngena phakathi kwe-defenders umntu uyabaleka ngene eboxini bafethu. I-defenders kunzima for uba mazinqande umntu omuva ubaleka ngela hlobo. Eza runs ivula i-defenses bafethu, that's why umntu ube number 1 choice number 10 position, but ke umjida funeka improve uscora i-goals. Okwangoku senguyi number 1 choice number 10 position. Umntu bafethu bengascore but kuse umntu obeyingxaki bafethu ngovula i-defenses that create opportunities for Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Even if akayibambi ibhola but kusezo create overload if ibhola let's say ibhola ibanjwe nguvele by left wing ujongene ne-defender kodwa umntu useyibaleka phaa icangwa isenze run i-defender iba confused iyanxila defender vele bedizela overload Kaizer Chiefs ivule opportunity. And then emasayidini left wing ne-right wing bafethu uvele by left and then Khanyisa Mayo e-right bafethu. La machita sometimes ayacross sometimes ayangena ashute. I-4-2-3-1 amachita inika opportunity ba mawakwazi ukwenza zonto bafethu. Find number 10 or number 9 okanye cut inside and score goals. And then number 9 striker bafethu kule 4-2-3-1 ubani iTiosa Ighodaro bafethu, i-Nigerian striker umjida ubuyile bafethu from injury end. Then ngoku uzazibuza ba okay what about umjida unumber 9 uKaizer Chiefs uFlavio Da Silva umjida beshaya i-goals last season. uFlavio Da Silva bafethu ayisho uyashaya i-goals but umjida ka start kule yami line up bafethu, and I will tell you why. But kuse umjida enyaweni uSilva bengekho clean bangahlambanga umjida enyaweni. uSilva machida ebesokola u10 besokola ufumana umuntu ngepasi. That's why ke machida Ighodaro istarta kuyami line up. Ighodaro nebalance grand enyaweni yabo. Inja amathambo enhloko uronga enhloko but noma ngamnika enyaweni akho smoko umjida uzayibamba a10 apase uGrand Ighodaro. uSilva angena bafethu after 65 minutes after 75 minutes ashaya net into zakhe mosmanezo. So nanso bafethu i-line up ka Da Cruz ki 4-2-3-1 machida. Brandon Peterson in goal, right back Thabiso Monyane, central defense right central defense Thabo Moloisane new signing, left center back Roshwin Dwatle ubuyile kinjari, left back Bradley Cross, double pivot Lebohang Mabo plus Nosipho Sihlengovu. And then number 10 Mduduzo Shabalala, left wing Asanele Velepai, right wing Khanyisa Mayo, and then attacking midfielder number 10 Mduduzo Shabalala, and then striker iTiosa Ighodaro. Nangona uDa Cruz ethanda i-4-3-3 bafethu, i-4-2-3-1 uyisebenzisile career yakhe nangoba bewine ne-league eMorocco la same season. Ikhona i-matches ebedlala nge-4-2-3-1. At the same time bafethu i-coaches sometimes azingxami zifike nje sizifaka i-formation ideas ne-philosophy entsha ki-players bafethu. I-coach sometimes i-style sayo okanye i-system yakhe uza nayo kancane the more isikhathi sivaya. Otherwise uDa Cruz angaqala nge-4-2-3 ingalahleki machida isizini yaqala ngo-August ngizabe ndikhona apha bafethu ngishaya i-match previews ne-match reactions ezintswempu bafethu ingalahleki moja bafethu.